Hi, if you have apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone that you don't use, disabling them is a great way to free up system resources and reduce background activity. Unlike uninstalling, disabling simply turns the app off, preventing it from running or appearing in your app drawer. This is especially useful for pre-installed Samsung or Android apps that cannot be removed completely. Method 1. Disable apps through the settings menu. The first method is the most reliable and works on nearly all Samsung Galaxy devices. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps to see a complete list of installed applications. Browse through the list or use the search option at the top to quickly find the app you want to disable. Once you've selected the app, you'll see its information page. If the app supports being disabled, you'll notice a Disable button near the bottom of the screen. Tap Disable, then confirm your choice by selecting Disable app in the confirmation pop-up. After the app is disabled, it will stop running in the background, won't receive updates, and will no longer appear in your app drawer until you enable it again. Method 2. Disable apps. Using the quick long press method. If you want a faster option, you can disable apps directly from the app screen. Swipe up from the home screen to open your apps drawer. Find the app you want to turn off, then touch and hold its icon. A small menu will appear with several options. Tap Disable, then confirm by selecting Disable app when prompted. This method is quick and convenient, especially when you already know where the app is located. Keep in mind that not every app can be disabled. Essential system apps required for Android to function will not have the disable option available. Also, if you decide to use the app again later, simply return to Settings or About Apps, select the disabled app and tap Enable. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to disable apps on Samsung Galaxy phones. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy Samsung tutorials.